Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In this video, we will see how a Java code works. So, in execution of Java, we will be having some of steps. So, the first step is writing the code. So, in a .java file, we write the Java code, which is a high-level language. The high-level language is human understandable language, right? So the code we save with .java file extension. So the code that we written is consist of classes and methods, and the code will also be having the main method from which the Java code gets executed. So main method is the entry point of any Java program. So this is what the writing of the Java code and saving it with .java file extension. Okay. And the next step is compilation step. So that code that we written and saved with .java extension will be compiled by the Java compiler so that .java get converted into .class. So in .class the code will be in the form of bytecode. So this bytecode is compiled by the Java compiler, and the bytecode is not a machine specific, which means the bytecode can execute on any operating system, but that particular operating system should have installed with JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. So this is what the compilation step. In the first step, we have seen writing the Java code and saving it with .java file extension. And in the second step, we have compiled the .java file and got converted it into the .class file, where the code can be in the form of bytecode. And the last third step is Java Virtual Machine. So this Java Virtual Machine interprets the bytecode and runs the Java program on any device or operating system, which means the Java Virtual Machine converts this particular bytecode into the machine code. So the machine code can be of form zeros and ones, which is binary form. This binary form can be understandable by the computer. So this Java Virtual Machine makes the Java code platform independent, where the Java code can be executed on any operating system, but those particular operating system should have installed with Java Virtual Machine. So this is what Java Virtual Machine, which is the third step that we can see in the execution of Java code. And the last step is execution step. So as I said, once the bytecode is loaded into the Java Virtual Machine, there will be a Java runtime environment which starts executing the particular Java program. So this Java Virtual Machine reads and interprets the bytecode line by line and transfers that bytecode into the machine code that computer can able to understand, so that the CPU can execute the code directly. So here you can see in the this diametrical representation. So the code that we written will be saved with .java file, that is a Java code, and this .java file will be compiled by the compiler so that it get converted into the .class file, that is in the form of bytecode. So then Java Virtual Machine, which acts as intermediate between the operating system and Java file, will interprets the .class file into the machine code. So this machine code can be in the form of zeros and ones. The computer can able to understand, so that CPU can execute the Java program completely. So this is how a Java code works. Yeah, that's it. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.